What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to go over 3 stocks that I think are potential buys right now for swing trades. Now, these are going to be kind of decently long swing trades, maybe to hold for a couple of weeks to maybe even a couple of months. But I think these do have the potential to really make you guys some money and make me some money. So let's hop right into it, and I will show you exactly what I am looking at and why I think they are current buys based on technical analysis. So we're going to hop right into that and get started. Alright guys, so before we get started with the video, if you could just do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button, it really does help out the channel and I really do appreciate it. Also, if you want to join the family and stay up to date on our videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We post here at least 2 times per week, and I will be pumping out a bunch more content coming up here. I've been doing a bunch of content. I do everything from investing, dividends, swing trades, day trading, everything that has to do with investing, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. But with that being said, let's get right into our first trade that I think is at a good buy. So ticker symbol is DE. This is Deer. It's currently sitting at about $343.40 at the time I am making this video. The reason I do think it is a buy here, pulling up the chart, we have a strong support sitting at just about $319.71, around that range right there. Right now the stock, like I said, is trading about $20 above that, but then now we have a strong resistance at about $400. We'll say $400. So given that, I think right now with the downward risk potential, you are risking about $20 upwards for the potential gain of $60 or so. So given that, that is a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, which isn't bad. Obviously, I will have a stop loss set right about the $320 mark, and once that breaks this pattern, this one does have the potential to fall pretty low. But it has been in this pattern for quite some time now, and I do think we have the potential for it to go all the way back up to that $400 range. As you can see here, every time we have a triple bottom on this resistance rate, on this support right here, which shows that it's a pretty strong support over the past 6 to 8 months or so. And every time it has hit that bottom, it has worked its way up back to the top. Or if it's worked its way in the middle, it has worked its way back to the top. So right now we are sitting closer to the bottom right now. So I am saying that this one is a potential buy. We are just under the long-term SMA line, but I don't think that's going to hold. I think we are going to work our way right back above it, and once we do get back above it, we will be able to continue all the way up to that $400 range or so, and that is when I will take my profits. It will be about the $400 range, but I really think that we have the potential. Looking at the MACD, we got a nice curling up going on right now. RSI looks fairly healthy at around 45 or so. So right now it's looking at fair value based on the RSI. The MACD looks like it's about to curl back upward, which is a huge sign. And if you look at the MACD, we are putting in a higher low, so that is also a very bullish sign. So that is the first one there. I do think that we have the potential. Make sure you set your stop loss in. Make sure you check this one out yourself. I just wanted to bring this one up to your attention. Make sure you check that one out. But I will be setting a stop loss in there. And I think this is a good potentially swing trade right now. The next one I did want to look at is ticker symbol BYND. This is Beyond Meat. And the reason I wanted to take a look at this one is because right now we have it sitting on a nice long-term support. It's sitting at, right now the stock price is at $100.91. The support I do is at $100 and just about $100, right below $100, $99.37. So it is pretty much at that support. And as you can see, it hit that support multiple times here as well. And it looks like we are also in this kind of falling wedge pattern here. Looking at this chart, we are breaking into this falling wedge. And now that it's coming through with the support, I do think we have the opportunity to bounce out of this falling wedge and really make our ways back up into our resistance. Now the resistance I have put on this would be sitting at about $221, just below $221. And as you can tell, it hit that point twice, almost getting to that $221 mark twice. So that is a pretty strong resistance, but looking at this falling wedge pattern, breaking into the bottom line of support, I think it is a very healthy sign that we will start heading back up. And if we can break that falling wedge pattern, that is when I'll take my position. So right now this one is still on watch. I am watching this. I do want to see if we can break that falling wedge pattern. If we do break that falling wedge pattern, I will take a position on this one. So I would like to see the stock get about to $110 or so just to break that pattern. And that is when I will take this position. And there is really a great amount of upside potential in this one, looking at the current stock chart and the long-term stock chart. So this one will be looking like a pretty healthy swing as well. The RSI is looking very low, sitting at 33.59. So looking very low, looking like you're getting a good deal. The MACD looks pretty good. And really just, we're going to be watching this one to really set it out for that, to break out of that falling wedge pattern. And if it can do that, that is when we will take the position. I'll keep you guys updated on that if I do wind up taking a position. But make sure you guys check that one out. That is Beyond Meat. Ticker symbol is BYND. And the last one I wanted to bring to your attention was Alibaba. Ticker symbol is BABA. Alibaba has been in a very downward fall here, except for the past couple of days. So the past couple of days, it has popped a little bit. As I drew out here, we do have some sort of falling wedge pattern as well, which is kind of getting skinnier. So it's about to break that pattern, in my opinion. And if we can get another green day coming here, it will break out of that pattern, and then we have a lot of upside potential. This one has been dropping for quite a while now. So the upside potential on this one is very good. We have a support sitting at about $129 or so. Right now this one is trading at $162.10. So a decent amount of downward potential. But there is also a great amount of upward potential with a high of $310. So this one has been beating a lot with the whole China news and everything going around with China. But the RSI is sitting at a healthy 54 right now. Maybe a little too high because it has risen pretty quickly these past couple of days. But I am looking to see if it can break out of this falling wedge pattern, similar to Beyond Meat. If this one can break out of that falling wedge pattern, I will be taking a position on this. And of course I will be watching this slowly. So we do have a decent amount of downside potential, but compared to with the amount of upside potential, this one is really looking pretty good. And if we can break out of that falling wedge pocket, just like we can with Beyond Meat, then I will be looking at a position in this one. But let me know what you guys think about these plays. That last one there is BABA, ticker symbol BABA. They have been taking a beating for a while. So let me know what you guys think. I personally think these are potential strong plays that you can swing for going to be a couple of weeks to a few months swing trades. Let me know what you guys think down below. This was just a quick video. I wanted you guys to check this one out. That way you can look at these positions and, see if you can make a decision for yourself. I am still getting into this technical analysis thing, but I think really looking at these few plays, I think they are really decent buys. And I'll let you know if I do end up buying any of these. Now, I do have Alibaba. I did add Alibaba to my long-term portfolio, which is my growth portfolio, which I have not shown you yet. I plan to hold that one for quite a while in my growth portfolio. Eventually, I will show you guys my growth portfolio. But those are the 3 plays. The first one, just to sum it up, we have ticker symbol DE, which is deer. The second one, we have ticker symbol BYND, which is Beyond Meat. And the third one, we have ticker symbol BABA, which is Alibaba. So if you guys did enjoy it and do appreciate these videos, if you guys can just smash that like button, really does help out the channel and I really do appreciate it. Also, check any links in the description below. You get some free stuff down there. It also supports the channel. I really appreciate that. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are growing here every single day, and we will be pumping out an insane amount of content, so make sure you guys are subscribed for that. I appreciate you all for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.